Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Make's built-in empty string function to clear field values in your automations, whether you're wiping a Google Sheets cell, resetting a CRM field, or erasing any mapped value that needs to go blank. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. This is one of those small Make features that trips a lot of people up. You might assume you can just leave a field blank in the mapping panel and call it done, but that won't actually clear an existing value in most apps. Make simply skips unmapped fields entirely. To actively set a field to null or empty, you need the dedicated built-in variable, and that's exactly what we're covering today. Start by opening the mapping panel for the module you're working with. This is the panel where you wire up your data fields. Click the module in your scenario and it opens right there. Find the specific field you want to clear. It doesn't matter whether it currently holds a static value, a variable pulled from a previous module, or a formula. We're replacing whatever is sitting there with something intentional. Now click directly into that field to activate it. You'll see the standard variables panel appear, showing all the data bundles available from earlier in your scenario. But instead of grabbing from those, we need the built-in functions. Look for the gear icon sitting right next to the variables panel. That's your gateway to Make's built-in tools and special variables. Click the gear icon to open the built-in functions panel, then find and select empty string. You'll see it populate the field as a special variable. This is Make's way of telling the destination app to explicitly set that field to a null blank value. And that distinction matters. It's not the same as leaving the field unmapped. This actively instructs the connected app to erase the data, which is precisely what you need when you're updating existing records rather than creating new ones. Save your module, run the scenario, and check the destination. Your field will come back clean and empty. And that's it. You now know how to use Make's empty string function to reliably clear any field value in your automations. It's a small trick that makes a real difference once you're working with live data and need a clean slate. If you have questions or there's a specific Make scenario you'd like me to cover next, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next video.